What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing shoulders together. If you're new here, go ahead and follow along. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and let's get started. So what you're going to need for this workout is 2 water bottles. I'm not using weights just yet because I know there's a lot of people out there that don't have weights, so we're not going to be using dumbbells. Water bottles work just fine. Trust me, they're going to be heavy enough. If you have dumbbells, go ahead and use your dumbbells and follow along. The first exercise we're going to be doing is for the front of the deltoid or the shoulder muscle right here, and we're going to be doing arm raises in the front. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 12. You can stand up and do this, or you can kneel and do this. I'm going to kneel and do mine. Lift your arms at the same time and then back down. So 3 sets of 12, go ahead and follow along. All right, take a 10-second break and then get into set 2. Good job. 10-second break and then set 3. For this next workout, we're going to be working out our rear delts, and you're going to want to stand up for this because you want to flatten out your back. So what you want to do is you want to bend over and create a flat surface on your back. Let me see if I can show you this way. So like this, 90 degrees, your body's like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 sets of 15. You're going to lift your arms up and you're going to put them back down. If you can't see from the side, it looks like this. Lift your arms up and then you go back in. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15, so go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. I'm gonna just do it from the side so you guys can see the form. And go. All right, go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into the next set. Good job. 10-second rest and then get into set 3. So we just worked out the front delts, the rear delts, and now we're gonna be doing our side delts. So taking your water bottles, I'm just gonna do it on my knees. You guys can do it standing up. You're just gonna bring your arms up and back down. And one little form tip would be not to bring your arms up too high. You want them to be just right here, and then come back down, and then go back up, and then come back down. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and follow along.
Time for sure.
Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we're gonna get into set 2. I'm telling you, these water bottles really do the job. And they're not even a pound. All right, good job, guys. 10-second break, and then we're gonna start set 3. And if you wanna make it a little bit challenging for yourself, if it's not enough weight, go ahead and take your arms up and then bring them down really slowly. And then bring them up fast, and then bring them down really slowly. And then bring them up fast, and you will feel the difference in your reps. For this last exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one-armed punches, and we're just gonna put your arm out, pull it back in, put your arm out, pull it back in. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 20, so 10 on each arm. Whenever you guys are ready, you might need a 10-second break from those shoulder ones, because I'm telling you, these are a good workout.
Time for sure.
All right, take a 10-second break, shake your arms a little bit, let them dangle, and then we're gonna get into set 2. Okay, last 10-second break, and then we are done after this set. All right, good job everyone. If you enjoyed this workout, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have workout requests and you wanna learn how to do something, or you wanna work out a certain part of your body, leave me a comment down below. I'll definitely make a video for you guys. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.